This is the question. When a right triangle revolves about its hypotenuse, it will become a double cone. Okay, so we have to find the surface area and volume of this double cone. Okay, let us see how we will solve this problem. So here AB and BC of the triangle it is given. So using the Pythagoras theorem we can find out the side AC. So first we will find out the side AC using Pythagoras theorem. AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square, that is equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square as 5 centimeter, that is AC. So AB, BC, AC we have. Now we can find out the volume of the double cone. Volume of double cone is equal to volume of cone ABD. Okay, volume of cone ABD plus volume of cone CBD. Okay, so what is the formula for finding volume of a cone? Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here 1 by 3 into pi into radius means here BO. BO square, and what is the height? That is AO, plus while we considering the cone CBD, 1 by 3 into pi into radius is BO square into what is the height of the cone? That is CU. Okay, so we have to find out here BO, AO and CU for solving volume of double cone. So now we will see how we are going to find out BO, AO and CU. For that purpose, consider the triangle ABC. Okay, so we can find out the area of this triangle using the formula half into base into height. Okay, so area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. That means half into BC into AB is equal to half into 4 into 3, that is 6. So this is the area of the triangle. And when we consider the area of the triangle ABC, we can take the other formula. Okay, we can consider AC as the base and BO as the altitude. Okay, so again we can rewrite the area of the triangle as half into AC into BO. Okay, that area also will be equal to 6. In these two ways we can find out the area of the triangle. So we are equating this formula with the area 6. AC we know that we found out already, it is 5. So half into 5 into BO, it is 6. Okay, so BO will be 12 by 5 after solving this. So we found out what is BO. Next step is finding AO and CU. Okay, so we are considering this AOB as a triangle AOB. Okay, this as a triangle. Then BO we found out and AB also we know. Then we can find out the AO using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so consider triangle AOB and AO is equal to root of AB square minus BO square. Okay, so root of 3 square minus 12 by 5 square. Okay, so after solving this we will get 9 minus 144 by 25. Okay, after solving this we will get as 9 by 5 centimeter. Okay, so now we got AO, and now we have to find out the CO. AC we have, okay, as 5, and AO also we found out. Okay, so CO is equal to AC minus AO. AC, it is 5 minus AO we found out now 9 by 5. Okay, so after solving this we will get 16 by 5 centimeter. Okay, so now we got BO, AO, CO. So we can substitute in this formula 1 by 3 pi r square h for the cones. Now the volume is 1 by 3, okay, pi into BO square. BO square means 12 by 5 the whole square into AO. AO, it is 9 by 5. 9 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into pi into BO square, it is 12 by 5 the whole square into CO, 16 by 5. Okay, so after solving this we will get the value 30.14 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the volume of the double cone. Now we can find out the total surface area of this double cone. Okay, so total surface area of double cone is equal to curved surface area of this cone ABD plus curved surface area of this cone CBD. So CSA of ABD plus CSA of CBD. What is the formula for curved surface area of a cone? That is pi RL. Okay, so pi RL of ABD plus pi RL of CBD. Okay, here pi RL, that means pi into radius of cone ABD is BO, and length, the slanted length, it is AB plus pi into CBD, the radius again it is BO, into slanted length it is BC. Okay, so we can substitute the values. Pi into BO, it is 12 by 5, and AB it is 3, plus pi into again BO, it is 12 by 5, into BC it is 4. Okay, so after solving this we will get the value 52.75 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of this double cone. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notification for new videos.